Alright, so how do we capture or add stars? So we have a nice little night scene here, so I want to add a new level, new layer. I'm going to go and fill it with 50% gray. Then I'm going to go to filter, add noise. So you want to be between 100 and 150, depending on the size of the dots you want and how many dots you want. For this one, it's a fairly decent image. I'm going to go with 100. From there, I go to blur, Gaussian blur. Now you want the radius between 1 and 2. Nothing more than that. I'll hit 2 here. Now here comes the trick. Image, adjustments, curves. And what you should see is this centerpiece right in here. Then we're going to grab the blacks, bring them down, and then bring the whites up. So depending on how many dots you want, you can control it with these two. You want a little bit of dots, or a lot of dots. That's up to you. And from there, we flip it to screen, and now you can see I've got a whole bunch of dots everywhere. So now what I do is I will add a mask, take my gradient tool, make sure it's on black, start at the bottom and just the stars should be less because there's usually a haze over top of the city. And I've got the mask, so now I'm going to B to bring up my brush tool. These are too close to the edge, so I'm just going to wipe those out. Should mention, my brush is on a soft brush. So I don't want it anywhere really near a lot of these things. And my opacity is about 50%. So now I just kind of click around to taste. And don't forget that usually over top of the city there's going to be light going up. So you're not going to see them in between the buildings and usually not very close to the buildings. Try not to do anything in a sequence, just make it a rambling. And from there you can draw in sparkles or whatever from there, but that's usually how I create stars. It's quick and easy.